Gaisano, Kasampungan, Mandawi. So, with my friends, here she is right now.
Hi! Good evening. I'm here in Gaisano, Kasuntingan.
Yes, Kasampungan. So, welcome to our welcome to Kasuntingan, Mandawi City. So guys, I am here again. Let's go. We go inside.
Okay. Or kalimtan ani mo to imong product ipalit.